Cryptocurrency is banned in many Islamic countries like Egypt, Iraq, Qatar, and Bangladesh, and it's mostly because of an element of riba that is found in cryptocurrency. Dr. Abdul Azim Abu Zaid, an expert on Islamic finance and an associate professor of Islamic finance at Hamad bin Khalifa University in Qatar, says that cryptocurrencies do not qualify yet as valid currencies because they do not meet the Sharia conditions or requirements for a valid currency. Cryptocurrencies cannot be traded or invested in. This is because trading them comes with a lot of risk because of how volatile they are. The whole process is like gambling. Sharia Review Bureau in Bahrain has said that CoinMina is a Sharia compliant exchange. Since May 19, Qatari citizens and residents can open accounts on the trading platforms of CoinMina. This makes CoinMina the first regional digital asset exchange to work in Qatar. People can link their bank accounts to their own CoinMina wallets. This makes it easier to deposit and withdraw money. So here's the twist. After CoinMina launched in Qatar, Qatar Central Bank put out a statement warning people not to deal with any unlicensed financial institution or service provider. QCB said that unlicensed institutions sometimes use social media to promote their illegal activities by putting up ads, and QCB further added that there is no licensed financial institution that can exchange, transfer, trade, or deal with virtual assets and currencies in Qatar. QCB also mentioned that it will go to court against any service provider or virtual asset in Qatar that work without a license. Residents of Qatar are affected by this law from the Qatar Central Bank. This law says that banks cannot handle any crypto related transaction. Account holders cannot add or take out cash from crypto exchanges or service providers. Even with this problem faced by account holders, there have been many times when residents have been able to trade crypto successfully by using crypto exchanges like eToro or Binance P2P to invest and trade in cryptocurrency in Qatar. eToro as an exchange is used for trades in crypto, foreign exchange and stocks. Binance P2P is funded by either a Qatar Islamic Bank or Qatar Islamic Bank credit card, whereas a PayPal account linked to a Qatar National Bank account makes it easy to sell crypto and get cash. So this misconception that a Qatari cannot own crypto may be false. Maybe because an individual can buy and own cryptocurrencies without any potential punishment from the law, much like the UK. But may this change after the recent QCB statement. As long as tokens have undergone AML and KYC verification by either the Qatar Central Bank or the Qatar Financial Markets Authority. But you never know, the situation might change after the recent QCB statement. So what's the point? Is it banned in Qatar to deal in crypto or not? So here I would like to give a disclaimer that it's just a point of view sort of video. I'm not giving any advice to deal in cryptocurrency in Qatar. You could use CoinMina or any other crypto exchange in Qatar. It's just that the use, trade or generation of crypto in Qatar is not legal. You would have no legal recourse if anything goes wrong, as it is legally banned in Qatar. So it's better to keep your hands clean when the thing is not legal in any country. So better to stay away from cryptocurrency and wait till the time when Qatar legally accepts cryptocurrency. So this is all for cryptocurrency in Qatar. See you in next video.